Hello there, I'm back again with amazing information. Remember the Palms Residence Phase 1 that got sold out within the space of weeks? And we didn't just end there. We started off with the Palms Residence Phase 2 and we also got sold out. Smart investors, we've brought your way Palms Residence Phase 2 apartments. Yes, we're going to be giving you 1-bedroom apartments, 2-bedroom apartments, and the 3-bedroom apartments. Where is this estate located? It's just behind the Palms Residence Phase 1. Yes, from Palms Residence Phase 1 to where we are going to be having the Palms Residence apartment is just few minutes away. It's a stone throw, believe me. And another good thing is that we are going to be having the Palms Residence apartment side by side with the Palms Residence Phase 2. The only difference is that in this side it's going to be all apartments, and in the other side it's going to be the terraces, the terrace duplexes, which is the Palms Residence Phase 2. So I came to give you site updates on what we've done in Palms Residence Phase 2, then inform you. I think I've done that before, but I also want to inform you that we started selling the apartments. Okay, so make sure you watch this video to the very end, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you stay updated. I want to flip my camera and I'll see you at the end of the store. Welcome back, viewers. So this is where we are going to be having our apartments. Yes, this is the location of our apartments. You can see that we have massive land here to put up whatever we want to put up. It's apartment, so we are going to do something lovely as we've always done before. Don't forget that we did it in Palms Residence Phase 1, we did it in Civic's Residence. I've forgotten our Civic bungalows, and we are also doing it in the Palms Residence Phase 2. I'm going to be giving you site updates on this project. So like I mentioned earlier in the introductory part of my video that we are going to be having the Palms Residence apartment side by side. You can see that these are the Palms Residence Phase 2 terraces, the 3-bedroom, the 4-bedroom, but in this side we are going to be having the apartments, the 1-bedroom, the 2-bedroom, and the 3-bedroom. And now the sweet thing is that we are going to be giving you lovely features in here in the Palms Residence apartments. Features like good water supply, very important. Elevator, yes, we are going to have an elevator in here in the Palms Residence apartment. We are going to give you good drainage system. We are going to give you well-paved floor, swimming pool, 247 electricity, parking lots, water supply, greenery area. Believe us to do that in here in Palms Residence apartment. Now let's move over to Palms Residence Phase 2 so that you can see what we have done there. I'm talking about the terraces, the 3-bedroom and the 4-bed terraces. Okay, let's go see what we have done. You can see that the Palms Residence apartments, we have not done anything yet. It's just a bare land, but believe me that we are going to kickstart work very soon. So this is actually a good time to key into the project. We have initial deposits. If you want to get the 1-bedroom apartment, all it takes you is to call or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen. With 10 million naira initial deposit, we get you started. Okay, so let's go see the level of development in the Palms Residence 2 where we have the terraces. Smart investors, these are the terrace duplexes, and this is how far we have come. I would move around so that we can have a better view. Yeah, so these are the terraces. So these are the terraces, 3-bed, 4-bed. Yeah, and this is what we have done so far. Unfortunately, we are sold out already in our terraces. So the ongoing project that is still selling is the apartments. So if you want to own the 1-bed, if you want to own the 1-bed, the 2-bed, or the 3-bed, just call or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen, because we are sold out already in here. Okay, Now, where is the location of this project? This project is located opposite the Fort Oil filling station off the Ogombo Road. How do you access Ogombo Road? You access Ogombo Road from Adesanya Junction. If you are coming from the Chevron axis, once you pass VGC, you are headed to Ajah. Once you pass Ajah, you get to the Adesanya. Then you move into the road that will take you to the Palms residence. The same road that takes you to the Lagos Charter House, that's the same road that will bring you into the Palms residence. Okay, if you're coming from the ShopRite, the Shangotedo area, when you also get to LBS, after LBS, you move forward and get to the Adesanya Junction. Then you move in to the Ogombo Road and it takes you to the Palms residence. How do you get here? Once you pass the Mother and Child Hospital, you pass the Lekki Scheme 2, you pass the Urban Prime 1, Prime 2, then you come down a bit, you see the Fort Oil filling station. Then opposite there is a road there. There's a Lagos State government project that is going on there. On that same road, that's where we have the Palms residence. Okay, so you can see the level of development in here, that we are making progress as well. So very soon we are going to deliver on this project. But don't forget that we are no longer selling in here. Where we are selling is in the apartment area. So if you want to key in to the 1-bedroom, the 2-bedroom, or the 3-bedroom apartment, call or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen so that you can get all the necessary information you need. Okay, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you will stay updated. All right. Welcome back, viewers. Remember that you just have few time. You don't have all the time. The earlier the better. So call me or send me a message so that you can take advantage of our apartments. You saw what we did in Palms Residence Phase 1 and you currently saw what we are doing in Palms Residence Phase 2. We are already sold out. So if you want to take advantage of the apartment, either the 1-bedroom, the 2-bedroom, or the 3-bedroom, call me or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen and I'll give you all the necessary information you need in regards to that project. Enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.